but we gotta go. Time is probably like 7 something. We gotta take the ferry, catch the ferry at 8:30. So we gotta drop off the rental car and go to the dock to catch the boat to go back to Tortola. I'm hoping we can go to the beach over there today, but I doubt it because we have so many other things that we gotta take care of. So yeah, we're about to leave now. I got this nail polish in my hand. I'm about to paint my toes with this SC Bikini Sotini. I love this color. And my toes need some help right now. So I'm just going to touch it up a little bit. Not a full blown pedicure. The moon is still out. I don't know if you can see the moon there. Or somewhere there. Down there. Anyways, it's time to go. So I'll probably like record the boat ride over because that was a fun experience when we were on our way here, but my camera wasn't working for some reason. There's a lot of difficulties why I couldn't record this time, but everything happens for a reason. I'll try to edit what I can. But anyways, I guess I'll see you when I see you. These are shoes I've been wearing every day pretty much, except for a couple hours on Saturday. These are my, what is it? Something sexy sandals from Crocs. Oh my gosh, literally I wear them everywhere. To church, everywhere. They're the most comfortable shoes ever. I'm probably gonna go get them in another color. I'm waiting for them to get a green, like a forest green, or olive green. I would definitely get those. They are so cute. Oh my gosh. I love these shoes. So we're back and we're getting ready to go to the beach. We're already like in our attire to go to the beach because it's our last day here. Tomorrow is going to be just a day of traveling, which pretty much sucks. But yeah, It's time for us to go.
We're going ziplining.
We're definitely not going ziplining. We just had our Malta. We shared a Malta. I didn't even think Sasha would drink this, but she did. And she really likes them. Thank God. So she's a true island girl. Okay. We're ready. I'm so excited. I don't know what this beach is gonna be like, but I hope I get better pictures here.
You got better pictures over there.
Here we
You gotta
go,
love.
Molalito, San Pancho.
It's one shoe.
He's lit. That's one shoe bingy. Okay. One shoe
One
bingy
Shubingi checking
is
in.
in the building. Checking in.
Checking in.
Check it in.
You have to say every word right.
Check. You understand? You understand all of us.
If you don't want
San Pancho.
I'm over.
if you don't know what you say,
Sangrio.
Be careful when you go out in the water, okay? Because certain place it'll drop down deep instantly.
Okay.
So be careful.
Okay.
Ain't like Savannah Bay and Pan. See, evening here go Pan Bay you can walk almost a mile out in the water before you stay in
And the sand is like
And it's
powder.
fine like sugar, man.
Yeah, up there where they are.
It's just the other beach from where we
Yeah.
was.
So we finally made it out here. We're about to eat and then hit the water. Let's show one shoe bingy. What you got over here, man? He's sitting on his rock. Aww. In the motherland. What you got?
Saltfish, cassava, banana.
Look at you knowing all your ground food. And I got what they had already prepared. I got some meatballs. They made it, so they made it. I got some. Ooh, look at that.
show us hot stuff in it.
Look at that. Going over there hating. Don't hate on my food. So we're about to grill. Because I'm ready. This is the hill that we had to go down. It's pretty steep. I don't know how cars make it up this thing. But that's the view this morning. It's Tuesday, July 31st, and we're going to be leaving this morning. It's kind of a rush because we have to take the boat over to St. Thomas. But we've got to do it, and we didn't even eat yet, and I'm a little annoyed I had ordered. My mom bought me some roti, and I didn't get to eat it. I really wanted my roti. I was hoping I could eat it on the beach, but I didn't get to eat it. But anyways, I hear the chickens, the roosters. I'm gonna kind of miss that actually. Here comes Sasha looking crazy, like she's ready for the plane. Look at her. And then there goes the moon, right there. Still there. And we're gonna miss this beautiful view. It was really pretty. Time to go, right? Time to go. But anywho, we'll see y'all when we get to the boat. We have one stop in Puerto Rico on our way back to Orlando. So, see y'all later. Taking a tour of the island, and while we're waiting for our flight, so we just stopped at the beach. I really want to go in the water, but we can't. We could, but we can't right now. We have to head to the airport. I mean, our flight isn't until next couple hours. Just our cute little crab. And there's some boats out there. I want to try and get me a little flick out. So we are in Puerto Rico right now. Finally made it. We've been here for like maybe 2 hours already.
2 hours.
Something like that. We had Popeyes. Probably the most unhealthy thing in the world. We were hungry, so we had to get Popeyes. And now we're playing cards to kill time while our phones and portable battery or external battery are charging.
I'm so
While our phones and battery are charging. So her iPad is dead and my phone needs to be charged because I need to make sure I have some charge so when we land we can get a ride. You know what I'm saying?
But where to get around?
It's over there on the phone. You can see her way over there. And we're here playing cards the old school way.
And I'm winning.
And she's winning. She's cheating.
No, I'm not. She's actually winning because she got one.
We'll talk to you guys in a bit. We'll see y'all
Want to see us play?
on the plane. Do you want to see us play? Okay, we can watch us play. Oh, wait, look at my colors.
Okay. I can't really see. We're not allowed to look
By
at.
the way, we're playing Slapjack. I've never played this game before. It's my first time, so hopefully she didn't lie to me about the rules because I know she likes it.
No, I'm not. I'm not.
You happy? That was a smooth landing.
We're not happy. I'm not happy.
Man, I'm at 100%.
Yeah, turn this train around, bro. That's too close to reality. For the first time in my life.
You probably know Orlando for its world-class theme parks and attractions.
Literally.
But you may not know the other half
Be
of it.
fine, not even
From
going
our
home.
professional sports, high-tech emerging
back.
medical industries, to our vibrant arts community. There's something
Back where?
for everyone.
Back there.
Enjoy your visit.
Just chill away. We stand on standby for random flight to go anywhere, bro.
Please exit your baggage.